back in the shop trying to get a little bit of work done with some limited time. We have our brand new suspension parts. That should include everything, upper lower ball joints, sway bar end links, just about everything except for the disc brake kit, which was stolen unfortunately by someone when it was shipped to my house. So I'm still waiting on that. But in the meantime, we're gonna get rolling on this suspension upgrade, so that way as soon as it comes in, get this thing back on all our four wheels. My plan is to drop it down about 1/2 inch. They make lowering springs, but I gotta see what the rating is on them. We may just end up cutting a small coil for now and see how she rides. But anyway, I'm gonna get busy, try to get the suspension on. Follow along with me. Suspension kit, it comes with lower arms, bushings, ball joints, tie rod ends, pretty much everything but the actual upper assembly. So we are gonna get started and see what she'll do. You that may not know, is get yourself a little pickle fork. Comes in handy, especially when you've got something stuck like this, where it doesn't really want to come loose. You can hammer on it. You don't really want to hammer on it too much because you'll end up boogering all those threads in there. I'm not sure if you can. Yeah, you see that little nick I put on it with the hammer. You don't want to do that too much because then you can end up actually stripping the threads out. This one's getting replaced, so it doesn't really matter. But to separate that lower and upper, you get yourself a pickle fork and make your life a heck of a lot easier. So now we got the that front hub off. We'll get that assembly off and get it ready for the disc brake conversion, and then we'll go to the other side and do the same thing. Just get it ready. Suspension already off. Realized I had the wrong kit. No big deal. Called the company. They sent me out the replacement for the right one, so they did solid on that. So we have some of the suspension off, some of the new parts sitting here. All good stuff. Anderson's Restoration sent me the parts. Awesome company to deal with. They went above and beyond. I think it was my fault actually that the wrong parts got sent. just because on these wagons certain things crosses over, some of it doesn't for different cars, so that probably was my fault. So again, they did a solid by sending me the correct parts, so we get these parts installed and get the front suspension done, and enjoy. It's pretty much off. These parts hadn't seen a light of day in 20 years. As you can see, the ball joint is pretty worn out. The bushing is actually there, but not in great shape. Getting replaced. It bolts in anyway. This is the lower. As you can see, it is absolutely toast. All kind of nastiness in there. You can probably hear that grinding. Yep, that's getting replaced, as well as any of these other bushings. We'll get the rest of this out of here and keep on going. All right, as you can see, we have all the ball joints and all the joints pressed out. Time to get some paint on these things and get them looking back new, and then press new ball joints in and install her back where she was.